on behalf of South Florida PBS, I want to welcome you, as Olga mentioned, to the second annual Women's Health Fair brought to you by one of our channels under South Florida PBS, which is the Health Channel. Last year's health fair was a complete success. And by the looks of it, so is this one.
What a wonderful crowd we have here today.
This event definitely exceeded my expectations. I didn't expect this many vendors to be here, and there's even a vendor that gives prenatal yoga classes, so that was really cool to see.
I found this event amazing. It was so positive and such a great group of people, a great community building event, and everyone with the station, like such great energy. And teaching yoga here with everyone was really awesome.
I'm 56 years old and I'm hitting menopause. So, by the way, I'm going to be 57 next week. So there we go.
The most that I got out of this was the seminars. Even though they were short, about 20 minutes long, but you get a lot of information you could take home and research more. And a lot of these speakers do stay behind to speak to you if you have additional questions. And the host, Olga, was wonderful. A lot of booths that give you a lot of good information about women's health, but the most that I got out of this was the seminars.
Some doctors will prescribe a low-dose antibiotic that you take all the time. There are some issues with antibiotic resistance there that I'd be concerned about, but cranberry pills.
It has been amazing from beginning, middle, and to the end. I love that they talked about the Mediterranean diet, about women's heart health, about the food we should eat, the exercise we should do. Did a session of yoga that was amazing. And this is just an awesome event that I think every woman should come and be a part of. I just can't say enough about it.